How to remove write protection from USB drive in Windows. So if you want to remove write protection from USB drive in your Windows, then what you need to do is just simply go with your search and search for registry editor. After that, click on it, click on yes, and you'll get this kind of interface. Now, you just need to simply go with computer and then go with HKey local machine. Under your HKey local machine, you need to go with system, expand your system, then go with current control set. After that, go with control. Now here you need to search for storage device policies. Once you find the storage device policies, you can click on it. But if you don't find the storage device policy, then what you need to do is just come here. You need to click on control, then just right click on it, go with new, and then go with key. And here you need to rename it. So double click on that or right click on it and then go with rename. And here you need to rename it as storage device policies. Make sure that the first letter is capital under storage device and then policies and hit enter. Now click on storage device policies and come to the white space right here. Right click on it, go with new and then go with dware 32-bit value. And once you're here, you need to rename that again. Write protect. Hit the enter and double click on that and then make sure that you've selected hexadecimal and make sure the value data is selected at 0. Now click on OK. Now you need to go back, close your registry editor, then try copy and paste that on your USB drive and your problem will be solved. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.